I just want to show you some of the questions of the real format. So this is from Heycademy website, and from Heycademy they have several questions and full mock tests. They also have free test. I have linked down in the description. You can check that. But at the same time, I would also like you to understand what the questions really look like. So for example, in the reasoning, it's a very simple question. Jack wears bigger shoes than Ray. Who has a bigger feet? Simple question, right? But if you have only few seconds to answer this, multiplied by constant bombarding of several questions, you might have a brain fog, and people struggle with that. So you might do good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, and after that it keeps coming on a different situations, and that's become quite hard. I will not give you the answer here. How about you give me the answer in the comment section, and then basically I can answer you if your answer was correct or not correct. And to help you practice that, we have something for you. So Heycademy, so most of the questions which you have seen here, actually all the questions what you have seen in this video are from Heycademy. And Heycademy has been helping thousands of students globally to pass different kind of job aptitude exams. That's why I suggest, or I highly recommend you to try Heycademy. It has a real Thomas GIA style mock tests, which will give you plenty of practice tests where you can go and assess your weaknesses, your strong points, and keep practicing it. It has 1,000+ questions for Thomas GIA. You also get your instant results, detailed feedback, timed practice to build speed. You have clear explanations for every question. It's mobile friendly and easy to use because you need to practice a lot. So in that case, you also need to access it on the mobile friendly device, which is totally possible with Heycademy.